Hello everyone and welcome to this quick tour of our course as per task in week 1. So let's start by looking at the 3 panels that we have. We have an index panel on the left, and basically it is interactive because we can choose the different places. We are right now in the about the course section, but if we click on announcements, it will take us to the announcements area as well. So if we go back to the about the course, we can see that we have on the left the index panel, then a central area where we have all the information about the course, the different tabs with the different sections. We have the about the course, we have the orientation, where we have all the different video tutorials about all the different things we can do on the course. Then we have introduction week 1 with the different tasks for week 1. We have a support and chat area. We have an introduction for week 1. We have my background, goals and expectations with all the different tasks, and we can see the to-do status of each task, and it gives us instructions if we click on the little arrow what to do in order to complete that task. You must receive a grade, you must receive a passing grade. Now on the right we can also see an information panel where we can connect our LinkedIn. We have latest announcements, we have upcoming events, activities that are happening, so forums and resources, online users. In this case it's just me at the moment. If there are any comments, completion, progress, and also the stars that we get when we are participating on the course. I'm ranking number 1 at the moment, so really excited about that. The badges, certificates if we have any, and then a stash where we find our inventory, but in this case it is empty. Now this is for week 1. If we look at the central core, we have the tab for week 2, exactly the same thing. I don't think it's been revealed yet, the information. I imagine that is because we the units are opened as we complete each week. So that's what I'm thinking, and that's in relation to week 1, where the instructions for week 1 are visible, while for week 2 they're not yet. So I imagine that that's why, but we have an idea of what's happening with the general tab in the admin portal. Week 3, we have some information about week 3, so I may not be right in that it is not available. I think it is. They're all available. Let's check. Yes, they're all available if we click on the different parts. So you can see here that we can just go back to the main area if we click on the top, on the main tab. So that's week 3, users, courses, and grades, with the different forums and different tasks available, and the criteria that we need to meet in order to complete the task successfully. Week 4, we have same thing. We have plugins and appearance with the different things that we need to do, and again the criteria. You must receive a grade, receive a passing grade. Week 5, we're looking at servers, reports, and development, again with the different forums. Week 6, we have the showcase and reflect with the aims for the learning outcomes for the week, and then the certificate of completion that we will be able to get unless, obviously, as it says here, you have completed the course. We have a trail at the top, which is really useful because for the course we have the index on the left, and we also have a trail, Chrome trail here at the top. We can move between the different weeks, and also here at the top right where we can see the different places. If I go back to the main page, that's about the course, so I can follow it here. If I'm enrolled in other courses, then by clicking there, that tab is going to take us to any courses that we are enrolled in. And finally, then we have also the privacy policy, Moodle training practice with different options available in the Cascade menu. We can subscribe, for example, here to, if we click on that button, to Nelly's YouTube channel. I am subscribed because it's wonderful. There's lots of really useful information. And also, this is a really good idea because I have a YouTube channel as well, so I'm going to do the same. I'm gonna steal that idea when I complete my Moodle course, and then I have my own Moodle site. I think that's a very clever idea. Donations welcome, clearly, as well, which is very important because we know that Nelly does lots of wonderful work. Courses available, my courses, and then home. I hope that that's enough for now, and see you on the course.